Yo, what's going on, y'all? Steve back with another video, and this is going to be episode 2 of our $100 to 10k challenge. And today I just wanted to provide some updates of how the challenge has been going. So obviously in the last video I said that I was trading Ralph as a short, which was a bags coin, which I will go to right now. And this video is just going to be about my updates so far about how I've been trading, and yeah, so let's take a quick look here at Ralph. As you guys can see, we entered in our short at basically the Pico top. We entered in at 42.7, which was, I guess it wasn't the Pico top, but 42.7 is about right here. We entered in about right here, and we bought at about 196. So I did get out a little bit early, but as you guys can see, this was our short here. We got in basically around this area here, and we exited here. Could have made a lot more profits if I did a little bit more research. I was just kind of in bed and saw I was up a lot, so I actually sold. As you can see, it did rug basically because the person that was getting the fees on bags decided to claim a huge amount, and it just made the chart very bearish. So off of that, we made a total of, let's see, from our 100 we made a total of 52. So that put us at about 152, and we had some trades where we just opened and then closed right away. And then for our next trade we had memes, which I will go to right now as well, and we made about 34 on this one, which is actually very good amounts if you think about it. Like we started with 100 and we're making $34. That's 34%. Like that's a pretty high amount for doing some sort of like futures perps type of thing. So let's see, I entered in at 1182, which is about here, and I exited at about 901, which is about right, we'll just say right here. So this is our trade. We entered in here on a short and we exited here, bought. As you can see, this would have been a better one to probably just hold, and that's one thing that I'm going to be working on is my patience when I'm holding these coins. Yeah, so this was a pretty good trade, so that puts us up to about 180 for the whole challenge. And then we do have one more trade that I opened on KSEX, which had a higher position size that I could have opened. So let's take a look real quick at KSEX. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're on KSEX and we're on this chart called Don't. So as you can see, we entered in on this red line, and we actually still are in this trade. So as you can see, well, we entered in right here and then it went up a lot, and I was down about 90 or like 100 or something, I'm not sure. But it's good to have conviction in your plays and know that your plays, if you did choose a good one, you need to have conviction. As you can see, we're about halfway down to our take profit, which I believe is 100 USD. I could be wrong, but I believe our TP is about 100 USD. So yeah, we entered in at 46, it's at 34. We just need to go to 20.7. And yeah, this should be a good trade. It is below where it got listed, which means the hype is most likely gone. Yeah, just again, another reminder, I'm only trading these coins that are on Bonk, that are on like Solana type of chain tokens that don't really have any use to them, like disclaimer coin. This is kind of just like a, let's take a look real quick. By the way, this is my X, you can follow me here, Sleep on Oxygen. It's gonna be linked in the description for you guys. Yeah, so they have 2,000 followers, 200 people in the community. I look at the coin, I see it's 70% top 10 holders, 67% insiders. Yeah, and then holders looks very sus. Bubble maps doesn't look that sus, but they probably split it up into wallets where it doesn't show in bubble maps. So yeah, as you can see, this doesn't really have any type of value to it. As you can see, it's kind of just like a character, and it's kind of just a narrative where it's like, don't buy it. Yeah, so that doesn't really have any value to it. Something that would have value is something like that has like real tech behind it, where you can use it and it's useful in daily life. This doesn't really have use to it at all, and that's why I'm shorting it. So Solana based coin doesn't have use. Tried to catch the top, tried to get in at a good entry. Didn't get the best entry on this one. We could have been up a lot more if we entered up here around this area. Preferably it would have been better to be patient and try to get in around this area here. I'm sorry if I'm a little laggy, but trying to get in around this area here would have been the best. But I saw it came out, I saw it started to dip. I did get FOMO'd in, and I realized that's probably not the best entry. So next time, patience is going to be key, right? So not getting FOMO'd in, that's going to require patience, and actually holding these coins on shorts is also going to require patience. So patience is a big factor when it comes to shorting these type of coins, and just having conviction in your plays and making sure that you're doing the right thing with these. So that is going to be my episode for today, and the wallet is currently at 221. We were just at about, I think, 250 or 230. I think 230 is our all-time high. So yeah, I will make another video tomorrow updating you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed this one. We are up at 2.3x so far, 130% so far. So yes sir, see y'all in the next one. Peace out.